dear, this one you came this morning. I was surprised when I received your call. How are you and the kids doing now?
We are fine. I just want to drop the kids, come and visit you.
Ha! This morning I was amazed, you know. Now I just finished sewing one skirt. I want to know if I can get the pieces to add to the tie. Wow, that's nice. This morning.
Yes.
You are welcome. It's well.
Your sewing.
My sewing. I enjoy sewing these days though. I enjoy so even I'm about to make a skirt now.
You can see that.
Yeah, I'm going to make a skirt. I love sewing now. When yesterday night I sew, you know, I love sewing my clothes now. I'm getting better. Even I want to teach Sandra now. What about you? Now that you're around here, maybe I can still just teach you how to sew.
Sandra. Oh, this is Sandra, Sha. So Sandra wants to learn how to sew clothes again. Because you can sew clothes. Everything you do, Sandra wants to. Must Sandra do everything you do.
I don't understand though. What are you saying, Sylvia? We want to learn. I just talk about Sandra want to learn. You don't want to learn?
No.
Why? I don't understand.
I don't have time for that. I don't take my break and carry that. You know?
Everybody break and carry something.
This one is somehow. If I need clothes, I buy. I don't want.
Hey, madam. But no. You know, Sandra, you was thinking also that she cannot sew, but I encourage her, so she'll be here today. I'm just trying to wait so that I can teach her how to sew too.
Amariche, you have to be careful with that, Sandra. You have to be careful. You know. It's not that I have anything against her, just that I don't like her person, you know. But you have to be careful. You know you are a nice person. But Sandra is not the person you have to associate yourself with. It's not a friend.
Are you talking about my own Sandra?
I'm talking about your Sandra. I'm not insinuating anything. I didn't mean that she's a bad person. Just, you know, just want you to be careful. That's what I'm saying.
I don't understand. You are confusing me. It's not our Sandra, our friend. Any Sylvia, I don't understand. Are you talking about our own Sandra? The one we saw in church yesterday.
So I'm talking about Sandra. You know, she's somehow, you know, because her husband is rich. She's, you know, just be careful. Just be careful. You know, I don't like her way. I don't just like it. Just be careful. You know.
What did she do?
No, she didn't do anything to me. No. We are not that friend. We are not that, you know, just church member. We are not.
I'm confused.
So I'm just advising you.
Can you just be advising me if there is nothing? Please make me understand. I don't understand because I thought it's Sandra. Is it not our friend that did birthday on Sunday? You and I bake and meet. I don't understand. Is there, you know, I came to meet people in this church. Is there anything I don't know about her? I'm confused. Or is it not? Wait, is it not our Sandra? Sandra Roberts that me and you were that was embracing us, telling us thank you yesterday evening after service. Please, this is the same Sandra. I'm confused. You sound strange this morning. She's the one.
Sister Richie. She's the one. She's the one. You have to be careful. That is all I have to say. You have to be, you know, you're a calm person. You know, you are quiet, you don't. But you have to be careful with Sandra. You have to be careful, you know. I don't have anything against her. I just want you to be careful. That is all I'm saying. Yeah?
But you sound like somebody that has something against her.
No. I don't have anything. No. I don't have anything against her. No.
But why do you say she's proud? She doesn't look proud. You said the husband is rich.
Mama Richie, let's just, you know, you are not the type that look deep into people like that, you know. She's proud and, you know, just be careful. She always likes close to where I'm close to. Anybody she saw me with, she always wants to jump into that person and associate herself with that person. I don't like her.
I sense jealousy.
Who is Sandra? Me jealous.
Hey, I sense jealousy. I saw bitter. I saw hatred. Who told you she's dragging your space? My dear, we don't drag each other's space. We compliment each other. I sense jealousy.
It's because she saw me with you. That is why she just called me. You want to come and learn how to sew clothes. You should come and learn how to sew everything.
Hey! What a generation. We are all Christians. Who told you that Sandra is dragging your space with you? What? Just because I mentioned... But that's not why you came here. I just mentioned... Just because I mentioned Sandra and Claude, whether you will come and so. This... I believe it is because... I believe it's the reason you came before. What a bitterness. But why showing now you love? Why did you embrace her yesterday? Why did you join me to make a pie?
Just for church, just for the
Hey!
Just for the birthday. Not.
And you were yesterday you were saying Mommy Sandra, this and Sandra.
All that. She's not my mommy.
Believers! Unbelievable. This is not how I was taught. This is not how I grew up. Well, you know now I understand. You know, Sandra have never really told me anything concerning you.
She don't have anything to say. I'm a nice person. Everybody knows that. She don't have anything to say. I'm not like her. Prognosing everything. Want to know everything. Want to prove that she's special. She can do everything. It's too much.
Okay, understand. Now understand, you know. Not again, not from you. Now understand, sweetheart. You know, when people say they are not like others, you know that, wow, it's a pity. I've seen people like you before. You know, let me tell you, now I understand. I will talk to you in 2 minutes now. I will tell you my heart, you know. Gosh. I was not expecting you from this angle, Jesus. Now that's about it's a pity that, this is too hard, you know, but, you know, when I came early here, I met all of you, and that issue of a pastor wife this, pastor wife that before, now I'm confirming it, you know, I want to read the Bible verse for you, just...
Pastor wife.
Don't worry. I will just a Bible verse for you, sweetheart. Please, let me just... want to read the Bible verse for you in... yeah, the place I was...
My mind, though.
This is a place I was reading this morning. I never knew it was for you. Said, listen, sweetheart, don't fail. Just give me 1 minute of your attention.
I'm listening.
Proverbs chapter 6, verse 16. Reach out, read it. He said, these things, 6 things the Lord hates. Yes, 7 an abomination unto him. A proud look, a lying tongue, a hand that shed innocent blood, a hand that devised wicked imagination, feet that be swift in running to mischief, a false witness that lies, speaketh lies, and it that soweth discord among brethren. Sweetheart, nothing irritates me than fake believers. You kissed someone yesterday, and today you joined me to beg me on Sunday, and today you this morning you came to me to bite the same. See, what you just did now is seed of discord. This is what Bible says. And lies. What you are saying against Sandra is different. Jesus, sweetheart, we all have space. You can be my friend Sandra, my friend. I can be your friend. Sandra is not taking your position. I can't.
No, Sandra.
Well, now understand. Let me clear you. I am not a two-faced believer, and I love everyone that I can love. But that case about pastor wife, let me remind you, I just confirmed it. When I came in, if it was not for God, the drunk images you gave me about pastor wife, what happened between your pastor wife, if it wasn't God that spoke to me, I would have thought she was in error. And you repeated what happened before I joined this church about the pastor wife. And God gave me Proverbs 17 verse 19. He said that repeated the matter between friends, separate them. You nearly separated us. Now, I am very careful about you. I'm telling you who I am. I don't want to be provoked. I don't want to feel pain. But I'm very careful about people like you. People like you are so dangerous that act like snake. You want to be my friend, but you don't want any other person to be my friend. My Christianity has gone beyond that. You don't go around spoiling people's name so that I can hate them, and you want to be my friend at the back. When people are living open life, it's enough for us to know. Sandra have open life, pastor wife have open life. It's better. Should I go and ask them? No, look at you. This is a serpentine spirit here. I believe, I'm sorry to say, you need deliverance. So,
I'm only saying my mind. You know, I'm only saying my mind.
I don't need those minds. I don't make gossip
I just want
friends.
you to be careful.
I don't make gossip
what I'm
friends.
saying, because I like
I don't make gossip
I don't want
friends.
you to associate yourself with such people, with people like Sandra.
Look at bitterness. You want to send me to her? No, 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 no. Don't send me to her. I don't like bitterness. Let's so close. You say no.
I don't have time for that.
And you have time to talk to people.
It's for lazy people.
Then you have time, please.
It's
Well, sorry. It's okay. No, I love you. You're my sister. You get a lot. But I don't do friendship by gossip. I do friendship by revelation and knowledge. I just know you now. Sandra, I've never told me anything about you, but I just know you now. God bless you. It's nice having you.
I can see that I'm not needed here, so I have to go my home.
I will always see in the church, okay?
Don't worry.
I don't want you to remove me from the grace of God. No verse, sorry. Okay, don't get annoyed, but consider what I just told you. Sorry, don't get provoked.
Anyway,